Hello my people, welcome back again to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time, according to your location. I greet the house, I greet everybody. My people, wetin make me wan record this short video is just a short video anyway. Wetin make me dey record this short video na to ask this our Justice Dean, our Mr. Dustbin. I be here say that time they say this man na doctor. But wetin we come dey see now na presenter we dey see o. Abi korra just give her that title as doctor so that we go fit dey respect the man. I no understand o. Korra, this question na for you. This your ex-husband, Mr. Dustbin, you say this man na doctor, but now wetin we come dey see na presenter o, social media presenter. Now we come dey see o. I no see anything doctor for a body. Na social media presenter na I come dey see. Mr. Social media presenter. Lazy Nigeria youth. There's Sarah Buhari. Not be only Nigeria lazy o. Lazy American youth dey o. Sit there for social media. Anything wey their woman do, they wan sue them. If their woman poo, she no poo well, I'm going to sue her for that. If she pee, she no pee well, I'm going to sue her. If her woman go toilet and she no flush the toilet, I'm going to sue her. Imagine. Come see Obewe o. Obewe, according to Benin people, Obewe many for inside America, not be only Nigeria. Mr. Buhari. Come see if our Nigeria people don't behave the way this Mr. Dustbin is behaving. Imagine. You know what anymore? She's your ex. You don't want her to have peace of mind. You be the first man when cry come out for this social media. Say you don't want this woman again. Most of our people support you. Say okay, may you leave her because the woman dey naked. Fine, you leave her. Oh, were you expecting her to beg you when you say you don't want her again, Mr. Man? Were you expecting her to come and beg you, to come and lick your feet and kiss your ass because you don't want her again? Nay. You fail. You fail. Your plan no work. The thing they pay you for body, but now you tell this woman say you don't want her anymore. Why the thing come still they pay you for body when they say no be the woman abandon you? Now you cry come and say, I'm divorcing her. I don't want korra anymore. I'm divorcing korra. I'm doing this. At the end of the day, you they find her nyash and her leg. They find her, they go. We all know say her could still dey your eyes. Her could still dey your eyes. Go back and beg her. Go back and lick your vomit, Mr. Man. Go back and lick your vomit. Maybe she will forgive you because of the kids. We Africa, we get good hearts. If we don't get children for one man, we know they like. If the man do anyhow, if he come back with his senses, come beg us, we dey forgive them. So go back and lick your vomit, Mr. Man. We dey here that time when you dey describe this girl Kpekus. This girl never sue you. You dey describe her Kpekus as she take cheat on you with una baby for belle. She never sue you. Why are you disturbing her? Why you no wan let her be? And for those people disturbing korra up and down, una no wan make korra rest. Make una leave korra alone. Una don't use that small girl make money enough. Wetin? Una don't use person until the person enemy go frustrate for life before una go leave am. Na so una wicked. Na so una heart black. Wetin una fit talk? Una fit bring one thing come and say this is the reason why I am disturbing korra on this social media. No reason. Because una dey use her dey make money. They collect dollars. Una no rest again. What is it? This life, when you disturb person small, at least una still rest. Una disturb her. What is it? She dey hold una money before when she no pay. Una talk am. Our Nigeria people when say korra no go rest. If korra dey hold una money before when she no pay, una go talk am, come out boldly and say it out. If we go fit help her pay, we go still consider help her pay. No be say she no do una anything, una just vow with una life. Say una no go ever see that poor girl dey happy for her life. What is it? If person do una pikin like that, una go happy. The way una take dey treat korra. If person do una sister like that, una go happy. She dey naked. The only reason some people go fit talk now, they will say she dey naked. And so what? She naked with your body. Her skin full, na make her pull body. She not naked with una body, so stay away from her. If una no wan see her nakedness again, the best thing to do is unfollow her. If you dey follow her for YouTube, unsubscribe her if you no wan see her naked again. Why wetin be una problem for this social media? Wetin be una problem? If una no see who talk to una no go enter house talk to una sef. Just follow one small pikin for how many years? Very soon now una go know the color of hair wey she get for kpekus. Wetin? I no know say some people wicked like this for this social media. Oh. And I just they see their real color, their real self. Eh? Una don start to dey insult this girl for long. Fine, I know say we dey use her dey build page. I know. Una dey use her dey collect money, which I know. But na small they take dey do this thing. Na human being she be. All these things una dey do her just that she no know when that una dey exist. Na it be the thing. She no even give a fuck about una. My people, may we try limit some things. E no good. Wetin no good, no good. Korra no get wetin e do una. She no kpai una children. And she never insult una once. So this life na sense everything be. Abeg my people, may I leave una. May I leave una because if person dey talk now, they will say the person no manner. I don tell una for my Facebook today, my Facebook page, I tell una say make una come saga me, make una leave korra alone. Because na she dey give una money now. Una know say if una saga me now, nobody go gree watch una. Nothing special to talk about me. Nobody go gree watch. Who know me? So una know say korra, anything una, even though na cough, say korra, people go run come. Na make una no wan rest for the girl matter. They say anything wey person say no go comot hand, na that thing dey kpai that person. As una say una no go leave korra for waste, na me dey swear for all of una now. When vow say una no go leave korra alone, na korra matter go kpai una. For most of una wey get children, una go dey discuss korra matter for social media. Una no go know where they go take a labor more. Since una vow say una no go leave korra alone. Please, my amazing people, help me to like and share this video. If today na your first time when you dey come across this my channel, or if you dey watch from my Facebook, please no forget to follow, share and like. If you are watching from YouTube, please help me to like and subscribe. God bless you all. Stay blessed and see you all on my next video.